The Directorate of Criminal Investigations is after 4 members of a National Assembly who it wants to appear at the DCI headquarters on Monday. Now, DCI says the 4 MPs have adversely been mentioned in a case of defamation under investigation. It is believed the defamation case is in connection with a video that was widely circulated on social media platforms, allegedly showing another member of parliament engaged in a sexual act.
A letter from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations dated the 21st of this month, written to the clerk of the National Assembly, wants the clerk to inform the 4 MPs to report at DCI headquarters on Monday at 10 a.m. after they were adversely mentioned in an alleged case of defamation they are investigating. The legislators that are being sought by DCI are Elders Member of Parliament Eden Kainan, Fafi MP Abdi Hakim Mohamed, Isiolo Women Representative Rehema Jaldesa, and her Kirinyaga counterpart Wangoi Ngirishi. The 4 are said to have adversely been mentioned in connection with the ongoing investigation alluded to in the letter. However, DCI now will have the task of looking for the legislators outside the avenues offered by Parliament.
This particular broadcast.
An internal memo from Parliament shows the legal team advising the clerk to ask the DCI to directly contact the legislators it is after, as the investigations has nothing to do with parliamentary business. Vincent Odur, NTV.